Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
As the first light of dawn breaks over Cambodia, the majestic silhouette of Angkor Wat emerges from the darkness, its ancient stones bathed in a sky that shifts from deep violet to a brilliant fiery orange. The air is cool and still, filled with anticipation for the day ahead. The temple's iconic 5 towers rise above the lush jungle canopy, a breathtaking sight that has greeted Cambodians for centuries. Each morning, this daily spectacle links modern Cambodia to its ancient roots, reminding all who see it of the enduring legacy of the Khmer Empire. Angkor Wat is more than just a monument, it's the very soul of the nation. Its image is woven into the fabric of daily life, from the national flag to the currency, and it inspires a deep sense of pride and unity among Cambodians everywhere. The temple's weathered stones have witnessed centuries of history, drawing travelers, pilgrims, and dreamers from around the world. Each visitor seeks a connection to something timeless, hoping to touch the spirit of a civilization that once flourished here. Intricate carvings on the temple walls tell stories of gods, epic battles, and daily life from 1,000 years ago. Every bas-relief is a window into the beliefs, struggles, and triumphs of the Khmer people. For Cambodians, these temples are a symbol of resilience and hope, anchoring them to a golden age even after decades of hardship. Here, generations come to pray, reflect, and find strength in the shadows of their ancestors. As sunlight slowly reveals the intricate carvings and vast moats, the surrounding jungle awakens with the calls of birds and the gentle hum of insects. Nature and history blend seamlessly in this sacred place. Here, the past is alive, shaping the present in every sunrise. Monks in saffron robes walk quietly through the mist, their presence a living link to centuries of tradition and spiritual devotion. This is the Kingdom of Wonder, where history breathes in the morning air and every stone tells a story. The landscape, shrouded in mist, feels both ancient and eternal. The journey into Cambodia begins in the awe-inspiring shadow of Angkor Wat, where the echoes of the past invite us to discover the wonders that await. Cambodia's story is written in water, by the mighty Mekong River and the vast shimmering Tonle Sap Lake. These waterways are not just features of the landscape, they are the lifeblood of the nation, shaping its history, culture, and daily existence. The Mekong, flowing from the distant Tibetan plateau, nourishes the land and shapes the lives of millions along its journey. Its rich sediment feeds the fertile plains, sustaining agriculture and connecting communities through generations. Along its banks, farmers plant rice and vegetables, relying on the river's seasonal rhythms to guide their work and ensure their harvests. The Tonle Sap is Southeast Asia's largest freshwater lake, famous for its remarkable reversing flow. Each monsoon, the lake swells to 5 times its size, flooding the surrounding forests and fields, and creating one of the world's richest inland fisheries. Entire communities live on floating villages, adapting to the ever-changing waters. This seasonal pulse is Cambodia's heartbeat, dictating the rhythms of life, work, and harvest. Flooded plains become nurseries for fish and rice, feeding the nation and supporting countless families. Children play in waterlogged fields, while villagers cast their nets, continuing traditions passed down for centuries. The delicate balance between river, lake, and land has sustained civilization here for millennia. Today, this natural system remains the foundation of Cambodia's prosperity, resilience, and unique way of life. It's a living wonder, an ever-changing landscape, vital to the country's past, present, and future, and a source of inspiration for generations to come. Centuries ago, Cambodia was the heart of the mighty Khmer Empire, a civilization of master builders and visionaries whose achievements still echo through time. Their legacy is written in stone, rising from the jungle in breathtaking splendor. Angkor, the empire's capital, was the world's largest pre-industrial city, filled with temples and palaces that stretched as far as the eye could see. Its grandeur was unmatched, a testament to the Khmer's ambition and ingenuity. Angkor Wat, built in the 12th century, stands as the world's largest religious monument, its walls covered in intricate carvings that tell stories of gods, battles, and daily life. The temple's symmetry and scale are marvels of ancient engineering. Originally Hindu, later Buddhist, Angkor Wat is a stone storybook of myth and history reflecting the spiritual evolution of the Khmer people. Its galleries are alive with legends and sacred symbolism. Nearby, the enigmatic Bayon Temple greets visitors with hundreds of serene stone faces, believed to represent compassion or the king himself. These faces, with their mysterious smiles, watch over the ancient city in silent guardianship. These temples are not only sacred sites but also enduring symbols of Cambodia's golden age, drawing pilgrims and travelers from around the world. Their presence is a source of national pride and spiritual inspiration. Their artistry and engineering inspire awe, even as historians debate the empire's decline. The mysteries of Angkor's fall only add to its allure, inviting endless exploration and wonder. What remains is a timeless legacy, architecture that continues to captivate the world and connect past to present. Angkor's beauty endures, a bridge between centuries. The spirit of Angkor endures in every carved stone and smiling face, whispering stories of a civilization that once ruled the heart of Southeast Asia. After Angkor's fall, Cambodia struggled between powerful neighbors until it became a French protectorate in 1863. French rule reshaped cities like Phnom Penh, leaving behind grand villas and tree-lined boulevards. Colonial administration centralized power, but real authority rested with the French, not the Cambodian monarchy. A French-educated elite emerged, blending Western ideas with Khmer tradition. National identity grew, and King Norodom Sihanouk led a peaceful push for independence. In 1953, Cambodia regained sovereignty without war, marking a moment of pride and hope. The French flag was lowered, and a new era began. Independence brought optimism, but new challenges soon followed. Today, Cambodia is a constitutional monarchy, with the king as a revered symbol but not a political leader. Real power lies with the government, led by the Prime Minister and elected National Assembly. The 1993 Constitution ushered in a period of stability after years of conflict. Phnom Penh, at the confluence of three rivers, is the nation's political and economic heart. The city's skyline is changing, blending ancient pagodas with modern skyscrapers. Decisions made here ripple across the kingdom, shaping Cambodia's future. While rural life moves at a slower pace, the capital's energy drives national progress. Understanding Phnom Penh is key to understanding Cambodia's direction. The city embodies the country's balance of tradition and ambition. Cambodia's economy has surged, transforming from war-torn to one of Southeast Asia's fastest-growing nations. The garment industry leads the way, employing hundreds of thousands and fueling urban growth. Tourism, anchored by Angkor's temples, brings millions of visitors and vital income. Agriculture remains crucial, with rice fields and rubber plantations supporting rural communities. The government is modernizing farming to boost yields and rural prosperity. Construction is booming, especially in Phnom Penh and Sihanoukville, signaling confidence and investment. Rapid growth brings both opportunity and challenges, from infrastructure needs to sustainability. Cambodia is a nation on the move, building a brighter future for its young population. The journey from hardship to hope is visible in every new building and bustling market. Theravada Buddhism is Cambodia's spiritual core, shaping daily life and national identity. Pagodas serve as community centers, schools, and homes for monks, who are revered throughout the country. Giving alms and visiting temples are daily rituals, connecting people to centuries of tradition. Classical Apsara dance, with its graceful movements and elaborate costumes, revives the artistic legacy of the Khmer Empire. Once nearly lost, these traditions now symbolize cultural resilience and pride. Festivals, ceremonies, and art connect Cambodians to their history and to each other. In every chant, dance, and offering, the spirit of the Khmer people endures. Cambodia's heritage is alive, a testament to survival and creativity. On Tonle Sap Lake, entire communities live in floating villages, adapting to the lake's dramatic seasonal changes. Homes, schools, and markets rise and fall with the water, moving as the lake expands and contracts. Fishing is the lifeblood here, with everyone, from children to elders, playing a role. Boats are essential, serving as transport, school buses, and family vehicles. Life follows the rhythm of the water, with knowledge passed down through generations. This way of life shows deep harmony with nature, but it faces new threats. Climate change, upstream dams and overfishing disrupt the delicate balance of the lake. Fish catches are declining, and water levels are less predictable. The resilience of Tonle Sap's people is being tested as never before. Protecting this unique ecosystem is vital for Cambodia's future. As the sun sets over Angkor Wat, the ancient stones stand in silhouette, bookending Cambodia's day and history. These temples have witnessed empires, wars, and rebirth, symbolizing the nation's resilience. In Phnom Penh, night brings a different energy. Streetlights, markets, and a city alive with possibility. Cambodia's journey is one of highs and lows, from master builders to survivors, from tradition to transformation. The Khmer people's quiet strength and hope define their story. From timeless sunsets to vibrant city nights, Cambodia is a land of contrasts and continuity. The nation honors its sacred legacy while embracing the future. A journey through Cambodia is a lesson in the enduring power of history, faith, and the human spirit.
Thank you for traveling with Dream Destiny Destinations. Subscribe, and let the next adventure begin. See you in the next journey.